Good morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will continue our sixth lesson, clothes. Okay, listen the class. Last class we already completed our full lesson. Today we will do our exercise parts. Listen the class very carefully. A part, tick the correct option. We like to wear cotton clothes in. Answer is cotton. We are always using in summer season. Woolen clothes can be protected from insect by keeping neem leaves. We already learned the lesson. An example of a natural fiber, cotton. Cotton plant. Natural fiber. Man-made fibers are made from chemicals. Got it? Now, B part. First one. We wear dash clothes in summer. Answer already given there in unjumbled words. You can make it is this correct word. We wear dash clothes in summer. Summer we wear cotton clothes. Answer is cotton. 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 A dash in a dress should be mended. Dash hole. HOLE hole. Clothes should be dried in the sun. SUN sun. Clothes are made from their strands called fibers. FIBRES fibers. Got it? Now, question answer. Why do we wear clothes? Right answer. Start from this question. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. I am repeating again. Start from the question. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. Got it? We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. That is our first answer. Okay. Now the second one, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? There also start from this question. We wear cotton clothes in summer to keep our body cool. Okay. We keep our body cool. We wear cotton clothes in summer to keep our body cool. Third question. Write 2 ways to taking care of your clothes. Only 2 ways. That 2 there is no place, so I'll note down the answer. Please note down the answer. Note down. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Note down. Start from here. A hole in dress should be mended. This is your third answer. 2. They're asking 2 ways. One is this. Another one is this. Up to these two answer you can note down. A hole in any dress should be mended. Woolen and silk clothes should be sent by dry cleaning. These two ways we can protect our dress. Fourth one, how do we woolen clothes keep us warm? Because this you can underline, start because they do not let the body heat escape. Okay. Woolen clothes keep us warm because they do not let the body heat escape. Got it? Because they do not let the body heat escape. Okay. Next one. Give two example of each. You can write two examples. Natural fiber. Cotton, silk. Man-made. Rayon, nylon. And things that are waterproof. Raincoat, gumboot. Okay, again I am repeating. Natural fibers, cotton and silk. Man-made fiber, rayon and nylon. And things that are waterproof, raincoat, gumboot. And children, this sixth lesson completed. You can revise and write these answers in your copy. Okay. Stay at home. Thank you and have a nice day.